YouTube channel, or welcome back if you're new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about fashion, lifestyle, life with celiac, owning your own business, travel, and today I'm so excited to bring you guys along for a pack with me vlog. I am heading to Italy with my fiance for a fun summer trip and I'm so excited. It's gonna be my first time ever in Italy, and so I figured why not bring you guys along to pack with me for the trip. I am so freaking excited for this trip, and if you guys Google what to pack for Italy, or like what to bring for a summer trip to Italy, you will find article after video after article that says to only bring a carry-on bag, to not bring a checked bag. And so that's what we're doing. We are packing in just a carry-on, and like I showed you, I am gonna bring my green base carry-on bag, so let me go get it. This is the suitcase that we're bringing. We will be using this suitcase as our carry-on bag. And either the mini weekender, if I can fit everything in the mini weekender, that's what I'm gonna go with. If I can't fit it in the mini weekender, I'm gonna use the full weekender. So let me go grab that. So this one is definitely bigger than this, as you can see. I am hoping I can get everything into this one, but if I can't, we've got this baby as a backup. One thing that I definitely need, I'm gonna try to make it work in the mini one, and if I can't, then I'll move over to the big one. So I've got this little fun gift that Matt's mom got me that I will be bringing to Italy, and I just want to double check in here. Okay, so here's the other thing. I am gonna be packing 2 of these. I'm obsessed with these carrying cases. One of these I will use for tech, so like my external hard drive, spare batteries, all that kind of stuff. One will be a tech one and one will be for makeup. So let me set this guy aside and we'll focus on the mini weekender. And poor little Gouda is feeling very anxious as I do this because he does not like seeing the suitcases out, right? So let's get to packing. So as I get started with packing the mini weekender, the big things that are gonna go in the weekender are my laptop, my camera accessories, and some of my toiletries. So I've got one of my toiletry bags here. I've got other toiletry bags in my suitcase that I'll end up putting into this as well. The cool thing about the weekender is, as you can see, there's this bottom case
that is perfect
for shoes, heavy items, etc. What I'm gonna see right now is my favorite thing about the bigger weekender is I can fit a pair of shoes and one of these cases in the bag super easily. So what I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna take a look and see if my New Balances can fit in here, because I know what I'm bringing from a shoe standpoint for Italy. I am bringing 2 pairs of sneakers. I am bringing my Hoka's, which are my best walking shoes, and then I'm bringing my New Balances, which are also great for walking and just super cute. Those 2 sneakers, if you watched my last vlog, which is how to style
dresses with sneakers,
you know those are my 2 go-to sneakers for everything throughout the summer. They look great with skirts, shorts, dresses, all the things. So those are going to be the 2 main shoes that I pack for Italy. I want to really minimize
what I'm packing. I want to pack
only the essentials. So that is the goal for packing for a trip to Europe, is you want to really pare down to just the essential things. So I'm not going to fully pack the weekender because I'm not leaving immediately. So in the weekender we'll have the rest of my skincare, my laptop, my planner, all that kind of stuff. What I am going to start with is to see whether this, which will be filled up with makeup or tech gadgets, if this can fit here in the bottom and then my other shoes can fit, then we're in a really good situation, because then that means that 0 shoes have to go into this suitcase. So let's see, because on the airplane I'm gonna wear these, my Hoka's, and then these are the shoes that I need to pack with me. And then the only other shoes I'm gonna bring is, I think I'm gonna bring 1 pair of little heeled sandals. So we'll save those for packing last, because those are definitely gonna go in the suitcase. So let's see how the New Balance fit in the bottom of the weekender. No! Okay. things first, these are not gonna fit in here with this thing. So it means I either would put a few other things in here in the bottom from a packing standpoint, or I'm gonna end up bringing the black weekender.
Honestly.
I may end up needing to do that out of necessity. So now as I pivot, so quick little pivot, now that we know that that's not gonna fit, I am leaning now towards possibly just bringing the black weekender. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna focus then on the main suitcase, because yeah, we're just gonna end up going with the bigger weekender. Let me grab that. Okay, what's so nice about this one is I can so seamlessly fit these in here, this, and I can fit like a bunch of other things as well. I literally could like roll up everything that's in here and get it into the suitcase. So that's how we're gonna just keep the weekender like this for now, with the sneakers in it, as well as the empty makeup case, because I know that I can easily then just pack my makeup into it. Oh my God, I just found my summer front, you guys.
I've been looking for this
For so long. Oh my God. Okay.
That's a win.
So we've got the weekender then, which is gonna have all the rest of like my makeup, toiletries,
Makeup bags.
all those things. So that is our bag number 1. For bag number 2, let me show you how this is gonna get packed. First thing I know I'm packing is I'm packing a clear bag to bring with me for the Taylor Swift concert.
Ooh! In here.
I also have the other clear case. This will be for like tech or makeup. And honestly, since one of the cases can fit in this bag, I honestly think I'm gonna be able to fit the other case in here as well at the bottom of the bag. So that is getting zipped back up. So then, what I've got in here is I have my 3 packing cubes that are basically filled to the brim, and I will end up using a 4th packing cube to pack all of my socks and underwear. So let me grab that. My socks and underwear, one of the things that I definitely highly recommend doing. Okay, so what I will do with a bunch of my socks and underwear, specifically socks, I will pack
Socks.
directly into my shoes, into the sneakers, to save some space in the suitcase. So I'll definitely be doing that. I also will be packing 2 other handbags. I've got my 2 bags. I'm bringing just off-white bags. So I have this
Handbag here.
as well as this bag here. Cutie little bag. So I've got everything now that I need to pack up this suitcase. So all I have to do left, since I have all of my clothes here, and let me show you how I laid out all my clothes, and then we'll just get everything packed. So I broke everything down into a super organized kind of flow. So in this packing cube, we have all dresses. In this packing cube, we have tank tops, shorts, little overshirts, like linen, little overshirts here. I've got this cutie little matching set. I have tank tops, I have a little tennis skirt, and I have a pair of linen pants. So these are all of my like basics and clothes that are not dresses. So those 2 fit perfectly in here, and you can see there's a little bit of space right here in the suitcase. So what I'm gonna do for that is how I will always pack and fill that space is that literally is perfect for this bag. So I can go like that and get that bag in here. And then I also have a little bit of room here. So I'll then shove this bag as well. And zip that side up. So I'm literally all set on that side. And then what I will do next is finish up my packing cube. So for this one, what I have in here is a little kind of overflow of those other two bins. I have one pair of trouser pants in here. I have two little light sweaters, two pairs of workout shorts.
This is where I need to add in.
This is the most chaotic packing vlog, but this is a realistic pack with me for Europe. This is what most people are doing, is you're frantically searching and scanning and making sure you have all the things. So I just realized as like the other things I want to get, these
Fun.
beauty items from Anthropology. So that is all gonna go in here because that's gonna be like pajama stuff. I'm not even gonna show you guys the rest. I'm so excited about this stuff. So that's gonna go in here. I also will need one jean jacket, but that I might not even pack. That I literally might just wear with me on as a way of saving space. And I need to pack like 2 sports bras. I know I'm gonna bring this white one that I'm wearing, and I'm also gonna bring one of my Gymshark ones. Let me go grab that one. My tip is don't overpack. Don't bring like a million workout outfits and things like that. You can always hand wash things and leave them out to dry. So I'm literally bringing just 2 pairs of workout shorts, 1 sports bra.
Just shove that sports bra
to this packing cube here. And let me do a once over check to make sure there are no other tank tops or anything like that I want to bring. Because here's the other tip when it comes to packing is you have to have your list. I already made my packing list. It's on my phone. And as I've gone through things, I just made sure to check things off the list one by one as they get added. So I know I'm not missing anything at all. And now I'm just going through, aha! I was like, wait, I knew
I had.
this white linen top. Okay, so I just took the tag off that.
And I'm getting this top.
Packed. Okay, and now I'm ready to pack up my shorts and underwear, and I'm gonna include all these fun little items from Anthropology in that packing cube, and then I'm gonna be all set. So as I pack this, another tip for you guys is to always think about the shape of things when packing. So this isn't going to use the full packing cube. So what I did is I condensed everything to go like this so that in here I can literally squeeze it in like this. And then easily fit in my handbag. And with all of this room, I'm honestly also going to be able to bring my sandals. So let me show you where how I'd pack my sandals in, and then we're literally packed. I actually can't believe it. So as a final count
Of everything
that I'm bringing with me to Italy, final run through of this packed up suitcase, we have 10
different dresses,
1 pair of trouser pants, 1 pair of linen pants, 1 silk skirt,
1 black tennis skirt,
1 white skirt, 1 matching short and tank top set,
2 overshirts,
4 tank tops, and I think that's it for clothing, 2 handbags,
2 pairs of sneakers,
1 pair of sandals, 1 pair of athletic pants that I'll be wearing, a jean jacket that I'll be wearing, 2 sports bras, 2 pairs of workout shorts. We've got about 11 pairs of underwear, and I think 11 or 12 pairs of socks. And that's it! And then makeup, our laptop, our planner. But this is it. This is the full, we are ready.
for Europe.
We are ready to go to Italy. The suitcase zips, let me show you. And I will say, I honestly have room right now, if I needed, and close this top here, buckle this baby up, and if I needed, I still have a tiny bit of room in here for something, which is perfect because I am definitely planning on getting some merch at the Taylor Swift Eras Tour concert, planning on doing a little Italy shopping. So I am so amped. Because we are packed. So I've got my suitcase here, got my weekender here, and we are packed for Italy. I'm so excited. So stay tuned because the next vlog coming to you guys is gonna be the Italy vlog. So I'll see you guys in Italy.